Imagine stepping onto an island where the beaches seem too beautiful to be real, where emerald waves meet golden sands, and every corner reveals a new adventure. Phuket, Thailand's famous Pearl of the Andaman, has captivated travelers for decades. But what is it about this island that leaves visitors so enchanted, drawing them back year after year? Let's dive in and explore what makes Phuket one of the most unforgettable places on Earth. Phuket is a vibrant, living postcard of paradise. A place where the landscapes are as varied as they are breathtaking. It's not just an island for sunbathers or luxury seekers. It's a world in itself, where bustling markets and serene temples sit just minutes away from each other. Travelers are drawn here by the promise of stunning beaches, incredible food, a welcoming culture, and a level of adventure that's hard to find elsewhere. From the moment you arrive, you're immersed in Phuket's unique energy. The tropical heat, the smell of fresh food cooking in street stalls, and the sounds of traditional music in the air make you feel like you've entered a new world. But there's more to Phuket than meets the eye. Beyond the beach resorts and nightlife, Phuket holds centuries of culture, shaped by waves of trade and migration that brought influences from China, India, and Europe. This rich history is woven into every part of the island, from its architecture and food to the traditions that locals still hold dear today. It's a place where you can enjoy the comforts of a modern getaway while experiencing an authentic Thai culture that has evolved over generations. Phuket has a fascinating history that goes beyond its beautiful beaches. Originally a small but bustling trading hub, it attracted merchants from all over the world who stopped by to trade spices, tin, and other goods. In the 19th century, Phuket was a major centre for tin mining, which brought an influx of Chinese workers to the island. This era shaped Phuket's culture significantly, giving it a blend of Thai, Chinese, and Malay influences that's still visible today. In places like the Old Town, you can see colourful Sino-Portuguese buildings, beautiful remnants of Phuket's history that add to the island's unique charm. As the years went by, Phuket transformed from a small trading post into a global tourist destination, drawing visitors with its crystal-clear waters, luxurious resorts, and friendly local culture. But despite its development, Phuket has managed to retain its sense of identity, blending the old and the new in a way that makes it feel truly special. In many ways, Phuket is a place where you can still catch glimpses of its past while enjoying everything a modern traveller could want. Now let's dive into what makes Phuket so unforgettable. For starters, the beaches here are unlike anything else. Patong Beach is the most famous, known for its lively atmosphere. During the day, it's packed with people enjoying jet skiing, parasailing, and beach volleyball. But at night, Patong transforms into a hub of energy. Bars, clubs, and street vendors come alive, and you'll see people from every corner of the world mingling, laughing, and enjoying the incredible nightlife. It's a unique experience where you can let loose and embrace the vibrant, carefree spirit of Phuket. On the other hand, beaches like Kata Noi and Nai Han offer a quieter escape. Kata Noi is famous for its picturesque views and calm waters, making it ideal for swimming or simply relaxing with a good book. Nai Han, one of the island's hidden gems, is loved by locals and travellers alike for its stunning sunset views. Imagine watching the sun dip below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the water while waves gently lap at the shore. Each beach in Phuket has a distinct personality, and exploring them all feels like a journey of its own. Beyond the beaches, Phuket's culinary scene is a must experience. The food here reflects the island's diverse history, blending Thai, Chinese, and Malay flavors into dishes you won't find anywhere else. Street food is a huge part of Phuket's culture, and you'll find everything from spicy stir-fried noodles to fresh seafood straight from the Andaman Sea. One dish you have to try is OAW, a refreshing dessert made from banana jelly, ice, and sweet syrup, a perfect treat after a day in the tropical heat. You'll also find popular Thai dishes like Pad Thai and Tom Yum, along with unique local specialties that add an extra layer of flavour to your journey. If you're looking for excitement, Phuket offers no shortage of thrilling activities. For diving enthusiasts, Phuket's surrounding waters are a paradise, with coral reefs teeming with colourful fish, turtles, and even reef sharks. The nearby Phi Phi Islands offer some of the best diving spots in the world, where you can explore underwater caves and marvel at the diverse marine life. Phuket also has numerous adventure parks where you can zip line through the jungle, ride ATVs, or go rock climbing in Phang Nga Bay. It's an island that invites you to embrace your adventurous side, offering experiences you'll never forget. But Phuket isn't just about adrenaline and excitement, it's also a deeply spiritual place. One of the most iconic landmarks here is the Big Buddha, a massive statue perched on a hilltop with breathtaking views of the island. Visiting the Big Buddha is a peaceful experience, and many visitors feel a sense of calm and reverence as they walk around the site. Wat Chalong, Phuket's largest and most revered temple, is another place where you can connect with the local culture. Monks here bless visitors with good fortune, and the temple itself is a stunning display of Thai Buddhist architecture. These spiritual sites offer a glimpse into the heart of Phuket, where locals honour traditions that have been passed down through generations. Yet, Phuket's popularity has come with some significant challenges. Over-tourism has led to environmental issues, from coral bleaching to waste management problems. Some of Phuket's beaches have seen the negative impacts of pollution, and the natural beauty that draws so many visitors is at risk. Additionally, the rapid development of hotels and resorts has affected local communities, making it harder for residents to keep up with rising living costs. These challenges are a reminder that while tourism brings economic benefits, it can also put a strain on a destination's resources and its people. In recent years, there has been a strong push towards sustainable tourism in Phuket. Local organisations, along with the Thai government, are working to protect the island's environment and promote responsible travel. One well-known example is the closure of Maya Bay, which was shut down for several years to allow the ecosystem to recover. Since reopening, strict regulations have been put in place to limit the number of visitors, helping to preserve this iconic location for future generations. Many businesses in Phuket are also adopting eco-friendly practices, from reducing single-use plastics to offering tours that promote environmental awareness. Resorts and hotels are increasingly focusing on sustainable options, and there are initiatives to clean up beaches and restore coral reefs. Tourists are encouraged to respect local customs, reduce their waste, and choose experiences that benefit the local economy. These efforts are part of a larger movement to ensure that Phuket remains a beautiful, thriving destination for years to come. Phuket is more than just a travel destination. It's an experience that stays with you long after you leave. The island's beauty, culture, and spirit make it a place that draws people back time and time again. From the tranquil beaches to the bustling night markets, from spiritual landmarks to adrenaline-filled adventures, Phuket has a way of leaving a lasting impression. And while it faces challenges, the efforts towards sustainability show a commitment to preserving what makes Phuket so special. It's a reminder that as travelers, we have a role to play in protecting the places we love. If you're inspired to discover Phuket for yourself, consider exploring its culture, supporting local businesses, and choosing experiences that give back to the island. Learn a few Thai phrases, try the street food, and see beyond the usual tourist attractions. Phuket has so much to offer for those willing to dive deeper. And if you want to keep exploring, check out our other videos on Thailand's hidden treasures and other unique destinations around the world. Phuket is just one part of Thailand's rich landscape, but it's a journey that you'll never forget.